King Energy Mindset, the art of teasing and role-playing. Most men think attraction comes from compliments or trying to impress women. But here's the truth. Women don't remember the guy who praises them. They remember the guy who makes them feel alive. That's where teasing and role-playing come in. Done right, these tools create laughter, tension, and chemistry that make a woman lean into your world. Why teasing works. Teasing isn't about insulting or putting her down. It's about creating a playful challenge, showing her that you're not intimidated, that you can laugh and make her laugh. A good tease flips the script. Instead of chasing her validation, you flip it so she's trying to win yours. Rules of teasing. Keep it light, not harsh. If she laughs, it's working. If she looks hurt, you went too far. Tease about things she can choose, not things she can't. Outfit, behavior, mood, not physical insecurities. Balance teasing with warmth. Too much teasing without grounding makes you look like a clown. Practical teasing examples. If she takes long to answer you, "Wow, I thought you fell asleep mid-conversation. Don't worry, I'll try to be more interesting." If she orders a very sweet drink, "That's not coffee, that's liquid dessert. You're basically drinking a milkshake." If she's very confident, "Careful, your ego won't fit through the door," with a smirk. If she's shy, "You're trouble, I can tell. You're just hiding it really well." The power of role-playing. Role-playing is teasing expanded into a mini-world. You create an imaginary scenario and pull her into it. Suddenly, you're not two strangers, you're co-stars in a little story. This builds instant connection. Examples of role-plays. The celebrity role-play. "Hold on, I recognize you. You're that famous actress who owes me an autograph." The first date role-play. "Okay, we're officially on our first date. Don't embarrass me in front of the waiter." The trouble role-play. "I can tell you're dangerous. Don't get me arrested tonight." The detective role-play. "You look suspicious. What's your secret identity? Spy? Jewel thief?" Flowing from tease to role-play. Start with a tease, then expand it into a playful role. Example, she says she likes spicy food. You tease, "Oh, so you're one of those people who enjoys pain." Then role-play. "Great. Now I know you're secretly a fire-breathing dragon. I'll need armor on our second date." See how it builds? You spark laughter, then draw her into your imagination. Practical drill. Next time you're out, pick one tease line and use it on at least 3 different women. Try to expand one of those into a role-play scenario. Notice her reactions. Is she laughing, playing along, or resisting? Adjust your delivery. Within a week, you'll see your conversations stop feeling like interviews and start feeling like flirty adventures. Conclusion. Make her your co-star. Teasing and role-playing transform interactions from boring small talk into dynamic, memorable moments. You're not another guy asking the same questions. You're the man who pulls her into an experience. When she laughs, teases you back, or plays along in your little scenarios, that's attraction in action. Remember, the goal isn't to perform. The goal is to create energy. Playful, masculine energy. The kind that makes her lean in and think, "Who is this guy?" King Energy Mindset. Don't just talk, lead the story.